Now, a lot of people might say, oh my God, if you're solo traveling, then who's taking your pictures? Girl, la la, have you not heard of a tripod? Like, sometimes people can't fathom, if she's solo, how does she get pictures? Just because someone's solo traveling doesn't mean that the country that they're traveling to, there's no people there, right? Hey guys, it's your girl Keem, aka the Passport Abuser. Did you miss me? Guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Keem, but the internet world knows me as the Passport Abuser. I am a female solo traveler of 92 countries, and I've had the esteemed honor of helping 12,000 women ace their first solo trip and flip their bills into boarding passes. So if you are already a OG subscriber in these Passport Abuser streets, thank you so much. I appreciate the love. So guys, in today's video, we are going to get into my solo travel hack on how you can slay your Instagram and slay these photos on your solo trips. Now, a lot of people might say, oh my God, if you're solo traveling, then who's taking your pictures? Girl, la la, have you not heard of a tripod? Like, sometimes people can't fathom, if she's solo, how does she get pictures? Just because someone's solo traveling doesn't mean that the country that they're traveling to, there's no people there. So I decided, you know what, let me drop some gems on my YouTube community about how you can slay your pics. Now guys, let's go through my Instagram, okay? So your girl is on Instagram looking all kinds of fine 99, okay? And all of these pictures that I've gotten taken of me have been on solo trips. So I want to show you guys a few of the different ways that I get pictures while I'm solo traveling. All right, so without further ado, you know how we do around here. Let's go to the computer, and I want you guys to take some notes. So guys, let's get into how to slay your pics on your solo trips. Tip number 1, which is Airbnb photo walk. So guys, when most people think about Airbnb, they think about a place to stay. But most people don't know that Airbnb also has a tab that says experiences. So as you guys can see, when you come to the Airbnb website, it directly puts you on home listings. That's like the default. But if you look over here to the right, there's this thing here. There's this tab called experiences. So guys, when you click experiences, let's say I'm looking at Paris, okay? There's so many different experiences that pop up, but we are specifically looking for the ones that are about photo walk. And as you guys can see, there's one right here, and it says book a Parisian photographer. So as you guys see, when you go on your solo trips, like, you can still look amazing. Now, what I would recommend that you do is bring about 3 to 4 outfits, so that way you can get like lots of looks in. But yeah, like, there's so much to do on your solo trip, so don't wait on anybody. You can make croissants, you can go to maybe a perfume class, get a photo shoot, taste bread, cheese, wine, do all the Parisian things. And the wonderful thing about it is, you know that it's safe because it's vetted through Airbnb, and you know that you're going to meet other people who are also solo traveling. So as you guys can see, there continues to be an opportunity to book a Airbnb photo walk. So make sure that you guys get on here, even if not for pictures, but just for experiences, right? So some women go on a solo trip and they don't leave the room. Don't be her, okay? Now, as you guys can see here at the bottom right hand corner, it talks about like going to like a club at night or something like that, like a bar crawl, or like a speakeasy kind of situation. So guys, definitely utilize Airbnb experiences tab. Airbnb is not just for like short-term home rental, but it's actually for experiences when you're traveling abroad, or locally as well. Now let's get into our next hack, which is looking for photographers on Viator. Okay, guys, so another way that you can look for a photographer is through a Viator. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Google. Now, when you go over to Google, I want you to type in Viator and then whatever place that you want to visit and then photo tours, okay? So let's say Paris is not the place that you want to visit, but you put I don't know, Cape Town, right? Photo tours, whatever it is, just make sure you put in the city. So I put in a Viator Paris photo tours, and here is my search. And so as you guys can see, I put photo tours in. So as you guys can see, when I scroll down, it says top Paris photography tours in 2026, and it says the top 20 Paris photo shoots in 2026 on Viator. There's another search engine, another search result here that says 30-minute photo session in Paris, all photos sent and edited. So as you guys can see, even Airbnb has it, even though we've already discussed Airbnb. But if you guys want to travel solo, don't be worried about how you're going to get epic pics, or if you're going to have to stop and ask people, or if it will be an awkward exchange. So now that we searched up this, and we can just click on it so that way you guys can see it. And as you guys can see, there are so many different ways that you can get a photo shoot right here in Paris or whatever country that you choose. So let's say we type this in and we say Cape Town. So here's more photo sessions in Cape Town. So yeah, guys, don't worry about traveling solo. I can't say it enough. You'll be able to meet a lot of people on full day and half day tours, sightseeing tours, and also you will get those epic pictures. So don't wait on anyone, whether it's friends or a man or whoever. Just go. Okay, guys, so let's get into how to slay your pics using Get Your Guide. Hey guys, so another place that you can look for photos is Get Your Guide, okay? So you are going to head over to Google and type in Get Your Guide photo tour and then wherever you want to visit. So if that's Bali, then you type Bali, right? I typed in Paris, but we'll type this in Bali. And when I scroll down, it says Get Your Guide, the best Bali photography tours in 2026. And then it says the best Uluwatu photography tours. So this is Uluwatu is actually amazing. It's like 2-3 hours from Bali, but it's so much fun. So check out Uluwatu. I approve of this message. And I'm just gonna scroll down, and as you guys can see, it says Bali photo shoot with a private vacation photographer. So this just goes to show you guys, like, please take that solo trip and have the time of your life. Now, let's get into the next resource that you can use to get some photos on your solo trip. So, guys, here is another way that you can slay your pics on your solo trips, and that is by using hashtags. Another way that you can find a photographer is if you go on social media, just hashtag the city and then the word photographer. So I'll put hashtag Paris photographer. And there are 756,000 posts like this. And here are all the posts on how you can probably find a photographer where you are, right? Or wherever you're trying to visit. All right, now let's say you want to do Bali. YouTube Bali photographer, 817,000 posts. So, as you guys can see, you can find a photographer pretty much wherever you go, and there's more than one way to do it. And so, it really makes you kind of take a step back and say, wow, and all this time I've been wondering how they do it. Well, it's not as hard as you probably think it is. So, the last way that you are going to slay your pics on your solo trips is by utilizing the hotel photographer if they have one. So, when you travel to a foreign destination, a lot of the times they will do weddings on site. So, you are going to email the hotel and say, hey, do you guys have a wedding photographer on site or some type of photographer on site? And you are going to use the hotel's on site photographer to get photos. I went to the Maldives. They had an on site photographer there because they do weddings on the beach at the resort. And so I utilized the hotel's photographer to get pics of me on my solo trip. And this is like my last resort. So guys, if you absolutely found this video helpful and will be using some of the hacks in this video, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future content. And if you want more hacks specifically on how to ace your first solo trip, be sure to click the link in my description box to come to my free solo travel masterclass. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to binge watch my playlist. All right, guys, I love you. I will see you in the next video.